One cup.
Okay, go ahead.
Half cup
Of brown sugar.
of brown sugar.
Mixing the sugar with it?
Yeah. Can I mix it? Can I mix it?
That's good job. You're doing good job. That's how you mix it. Good job, Divith. Let me help you.
No, I don't need help. I'll cover all those.
Yes. What are you doing, Divith, now?
I'm adding eggs.
How many eggs?
Four. Now how to mix it up?
How many
Wait,
eggs do
wait,
you?
wait. We have to add more. Now add milk.
That's it.
You do it. Say, what are you doing, Divith?
I'm adding milk.
Okay, good. One teaspoon of
Milk.
vanilla. Good job.
Somebody eat this too.
Yes, we have to put this.
What are you doing?
I'm fixing your kit. Now mix it.
Wait, one more cup. Yeah, mix it and let's add again.
I am adding 2 scoops of this powder. Look.
Flour.
I'm adding baking powder in there.
A little bit of baking.
There was food.
Yeah, but we need the measurement, right? You say little bit of baking soda.
Baking soda. Now how to mix it? Scoops of the brown no powder.
Cinnamon powder.
I'm adding banana.
Okay.
I need to put that in the oven.
Yes,
How many minutes?
40 minutes.